In this video, we're gonna replace the underside spoiler lip. Our Porsche is over a decade old and it has seen a ton of scrapes, so it is time to replace it. Now, I ordered this from Suncoast Porsche Parts. Those guys are amazing. Came in a well-protected box and really excited. So this should be a pretty straightforward install. Let's show you the tools you will need. So we're gonna need a T25 Torx adapter or socket, and we have some trim tools as well. And then if you look at our lip right here, we're gonna need our T25 right here. And the crazy thing is we already replaced a lip like this on our Porsche GT4 and it seems very similar. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go underneath here, right there, and we're gonna take off that screw. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take off the screw on the other side. The other side had one screw, this one has two screws. Okay, so the lip is designed to slide off, and the way it should slide off, it should slide off to the right, but the way they designed it is that it slides on to the left for install, and then you're supposed to be able to slide it off to the right once you remove the screws. And it's off. This is dirty, we can clean that off, but there's a lot of scratches on here. And it's just old, guys. And believe it or not, when you're looking at your car straight on, you could actually see this. And this is gonna make a big difference. This is small details that I like to do that really makes the car look refreshed. All right, we're gonna go ahead and just hook these in. Pretty straightforward. And it hooks on. That's kind of cool. All right, we just gotta make sure that we get all of them in before we slide it over. All right, so there is the part that I'm talking about. You slide this in here and then over. All right, I'm gonna put the screw back in. All right. All right. All right, that's it. We have our new under spoiler lip installed, and it was a pretty straightforward process, especially once we figured out that system, how it slides. All right, guys, if you need some tools to do the job, they're gonna be in the description. All right, guys, thank you for watching.